caught off guard. Ang galing pala ng mga taga City Hall. Amen? Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and fellow music enthusiasts, it is with great joy and excitement that I extend a warm welcome to the illustrious Madrigal singers as they grace us with their presence here at San Pedro Sampaguita Festival. Tonight, we gather under the shimmering stars and amidst the fragrant blossoms of Sampaguita, our national flower, to celebrate the beauty of music and the rich cultural heritage it embodies. As we come together in harmony, let us open our hearts and minds to the enchanting melodies and soul-stirring harmonies of the Madrigal singers that the Madrigal singers are renowned for. With each note they sing, let us be transported to a realm of pure artistry and inspiration. May their performance tonight be a testament to the power of music to unite us, uplift our spirits, and create lasting memories. So, the members of the Madrigal Singers in the Cultural Center of the Philippines, thank you for gracing us with your talent and passion. Your presence here tonight truly makes this festival a magical and unforgettable experience for us all. So without further ado, let us immerse ourselves in the captivating world of music as we embark on this extraordinary journey with the Madrigal Singers. Welcome and enjoy the enchanting melodies that await us.
Thank you so much, Mayora Mica Mercado. Before we officially start, let us hear from the Cultural Center of the Philippines Technical Consultant for Artistic Matters, Mr. Alexander Cortez.
Magandang gabi, San Pedro, Laguna, lalong-lalo na sa mga opisyalis natin sa pangunguna ng ating Mayor, Honorable Mayor Art Joseph Francis Mercado at Mayora Mrs. Mica Mercado, mga bagets. We must have a different kind of energy here, having a very, very young Mayor and Mayora. I'm very pleased. And our Councilor Bernadette Olivares, SK Federation Chairman, RLT. Tumayo naman kayo para makikita kayo ng mga young.
Kaya si wala si Sheki.
And then, of course, our City Administrator, Attorney Henry Salazar. Ito very important because I know this is one of the attraction here, the City Tourism, Culture and Arts Office Head, Jenny Cocolina. And of course, our former President, Michelle Nikki Hunya, nakasama pa rin namin kayo sa Cultural Center sa mga ibang proyekto. Matubos na ikinagagalak ng Sentro Pagkultura ng Pilipinas na maging bahagi ng pagdiriwang ng inyong mabangon Sampaguita Festival. Ngayong gabi, matutuklayan natin ang husay at galing ng Philippine Madrigal Singers o mas kinikilalang MADS na isa sa most awarded choirs sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Mula nung itinatag ito ng National Artist for Music, Professor Andrea O. Veneracion noong taong 1963. Patuloy nitong isinusulong ang iba't ibang uri ng Filipino choral works. Alam niyo, marami po sa ating mga kababayan ang hindi pa nakakarating at nakakapanood sa Cultural Center of the Philippines. Kaya kami, patuloy namin dinadala ang aming mga programa, palabas at mga proyekto sa iba't ibang panig ng bansa para maipakita ang husay ng sining at kulturang Pilipino. Kararating ko lang po mula sa Zamboanga, sa Bukidnon, Cagayan de Oro, sa pumuno ni Senator Zubiri, dahil balak po namin tuhugin ang mga lugar sa Mindanao, kasama na rin po ang Luzon. Kaya malaking bagay itong outreach program na ito. Patuloy po namin ginadala ito para tulad niyo makita ang husay ng sining na kulturang Pilipino. Napakaganda ng pagdiriwang ninyo ng Sampaguita Festival dahil itinapakita ninyo ang cultural displays, athletic competitions, trade fairs, dance contests, art exhibitions, parades, social gatherings, religious rites, tribal dances, sports exhibitions, habang pinagdiriwang ang inyong fiesta. Nanggaling din po ako sa Cagayan, sa Ilocos, at alam nyo, yung mga festivals niyan, talagang level up na sila. Grabe, Sorsogon, ganun din. Kaya very active ang ating mga Salamat ng marami sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa mga programa ng Sentro Pangkultura ng Pilipinas. Maligayang pista ng Sampaguita, halina't makasiya, San Pedro, Laguna. Salamat po.
Thank you very much, Sir Alex. And now, the long wait is over. San Pedro, give your loudest round of applause for the Philippine Magical Singers.
Sila.
Uy, instrumental na.